You wanna come see me? You don't need that pacifier. Come see me. Come on. This is our little man crawling. Once he started, he just won't stop. Go get the ball. Go get the football. Now that he's crawling, this is the kind of mess he makes. It has to get picked up every day just to be made again the next day. Gavin. Gavin. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.